Hey everyone, welcome back to Cars Info. Today we're diving into the future of Kia with the highly anticipated 2025 Kia Tasman. This compact SUV is set to redefine the segment with its blend of cutting-edge technology, sleek design, and impressive performance. Let's explore what makes the 2025 Kia Tasman so exciting. First impressions matter, and the 2025 Kia Tasman doesn't disappoint. It features a bold and modern design language that reflects Kia's commitment to innovation. Up front, you'll notice the distinctive tiger nose grille complemented by sleek LED headlights that give it a sharp and sophisticated look. The sculpted lines along the sides enhance its aerodynamics while adding to its overall sporty appeal. Stepping inside the 2025 Kia Tasman, you're greeted by a spacious and tech-forward cabin. The interior is designed with both style and comfort in mind, featuring premium materials and ergonomic seating. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a large touchscreen display that seamlessly integrates Kia's latest infotainment system. This system offers intuitive controls, navigation, smartphone connectivity, and advanced driver assistance features to enhance both convenience and safety. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Kia Tasman delivers a balanced driving experience. It's expected to be available in both gasoline and hybrid powertrains, catering to a range of preferences. From efficiency-conscious drivers to those seeking a bit more power, the hybrid variant is particularly noteworthy for its impressive fuel economy without compromising on performance, making it a practical choice for daily commuting and longer journeys. Kia has always prioritized safety, and the 2025 Tasman is no exception. It comes equipped with a suite of advanced safety features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system for enhanced visibility. These technologies work together to provide peace of mind on the road, whether you're navigating city streets or tackling the open highway. To sum it up, the 2025 Kia Tasman represents a significant leap forward for Kia in the competitive compact SUV segment. With its striking design, advanced technology, and efficient performance, it's poised to attract drivers looking for a versatile and modern vehicle. What are your thoughts on the 2025 Kia Tasman? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest cars and automotive news. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.